Alright, now I've got the stop disconnected, you can see from the wood stove here itself, and it just was attached to these two machine bolts here, some type of threaded fitting inside there. And now with this removed, what I should be able to do is just lift this door off. And it might be a little tough for me to set this up so you can see me lifting the door off, but let's see. I should be able to lift it, open the door all the way, lift it up and off, and there she is. And I'm going to lay it on the pet bed here, and now we're going to go to the shop.